So good morning, Kai and Rick. How was your morning? How was your morning, baby? Good?
It's great.
Okay, that's very good. Did you eat breakfast already?
No. No.
Oh, not yet. So after the class, you're going to eat breakfast, right?
Yes.
Okay. All right. So now, did you sleep well last night, Kai and Rick?
Yes. Yes.
Oh, that's very good. So before we start, can I ask what time did you sleep last night?
Well, o'clock. 11 o'clock.
11 o'clock. Oh, that's
Yes.
so late. And then what time did you wake up today?
7 o'clock.
Oh, 7 o'clock.
7.
You just wake up now. That's why your eyes are still your eyes are still cute because you just wake up. Okay, so now babies, are you ready to start with our class today? Our first day of the class? Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, so teacher is going to share the screen, okay? All right. And just give me a few seconds, baby. All right. So can you see my screen right now?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
All right. So again, we are going to continue about the art class. So we are done with the lesson one, which is the lesson point and say about the paper, glue, scissor, and paint. So we are going to continue on the next page. So in the next page, we have this. Okay, so we have listen and say. So first, teacher is going to play the audio. So I want you to listen carefully, and after that one, you are going to say some words. Okay? For example, I have paper. So now, baby, teacher is going to play this one.
Page 5. C. Listen and say. 1,
I have paper.
2,
I have glue.
3,
I have scissors.
4,
I have paint.
All right. Okay, so now, Kai, what is this?
Paper.
Paper. Are you sure?
Yes.
Are you
No.
sure?
Glue. Glue.
It's a glue. That's not a paper. Okay, how about Rick? What is this?
It's a
Okay,
paper.
okay, what color is the paper?
It's blue.
Okay, it is color blue. How about this one? Kai, what are this?
Pencil.
Pencils. How many pencils do you see?
2 pencil.
Okay, two pencils. Okay, so now, Rick, what is this? Okay, what are this?
Hmm.
What is this, Rick?
Those are paint.
Okay, those are paints. What are the colors of the paints that you see?
Green and pink.
All right, we have color red, orange, and
Pink.
pink. Okay, how about, I guess that's all. Okay, so now Rick and Kai, what do you see on the shelves? Okay, you can go first, Kai. Can you give three things that you see on the shelves?
See. Uh.
Mm-hmm.
I see some books.
Mm-hmm. Okay, what else?
A ball.
A ball. And then? Last one. You already
Some
give
paper.
two? Okay. How about your Rick? What do you see on the shelves? Oh.
I can see
Uh-huh. I can see what?
one
What else?
big.
Okay, and last one.
A box.
All right, very good. So it's so hard to tell what do you see in each shelves because you can only see we have three books, another three books, another two books. So how many books in all? How many books
5
do you see?
books.
Are you sure?
4,
Okay,
8.
all right. Eight books. So now, is this a ball? Is this a ball?
Yes.
Okay, what kind of ball is that? What kind of ball is that? Is it a
It's a tennis ball.
Are you sure that it's a tennis ball or this one is the tennis ball?
It's a basketball.
Alright, it's a basketball ball. And this one is a tennis
Yes.
ball. Okay, very good, Kai and Rick. You are so very observant. Okay, so now let's continue with sing. Wow, do you know how to sing? We're going to sing this one, but if you don't know, you can only you can just dance or maybe hump or anything that you want to do. And also your Mr. Bone can also sing with us. Okay, and how about you, Rick? Do you have a teddy bear or any kind of stuffed toy with you?
Yes.
Oh, where is it? What's that? What is that? Oh,
A
a
duck.
bird! A dog! I thought it's a bird. Oh, all right. So before we start, I would like to ask, what was the name or what is the name of your toy, Rick? Do you have,
My name is
does it have a name?
Ducky.
Ducky. Okay, how about you, Rick? Kai. What was the name of your toy? What was the name of your toy, baby Kai? Does it have a name?
Yes.
Baby Kai?
Yes.
Does your toy has a name or no? The other one is Ducky. And how about yours? Hello? I can see both of you.
Her name is
Yes?
Fish.
Oh, it's so cute. Oh, I also have one. Look. Hi. Mine is so cute. But it doesn't have a name. All right. Okay, so now let's start with this one.
Page 5.
Wow, you also have a cute bear. Oh, that's so cute. Okay, so we are going to sing the paper, glue, scissors, and paint. Okay, so teacher is going to play this one.
D. Sing. Paper, glue, scissors, and paint. I have paper.
Paper.
I have glue.
Glue.
I have scissors.
Scissors.
I have paint.
Paint.
Paper. glue, scissors, and paint. Paper, glue, scissors, and paint.
I have paper. Paper. I
I
have
have
glue.
glue.
Glue. I have scissors. Scissors. I have paint. Paint. Paper. Glue. Scissors and
And
paint. Paper, glue, scissors, and paint.
Alright. Okay, so again, we have paper, glue, scissors, and a paint. Okay, so now, babies, let's continue to the next page. Oh, wow, school supplies. Do you still go to school today?
No.
Oh, no, yeah, because it's Saturday. How about on Monday? Are you still going to go to school?
No.
Oh, you don't. Yes? Yes, no, yes, no, yes, no.
Yes. Yes.
Oh, yes. Oh, so if you are going to go to school on Monday, so after our class, you are going to prepare to go to school, right? Because we have a class every 7 a.m. So after that, you're going to go to school?
Yes.
Oh, wow, that's so cute. Okay, so do you have a pen in your backpacks?
What?
Do you have a pen in your backpack or in your
Yes.
pencil case? How about a crayon?
Yes.
How about a marker
Yes.
and a pencil?
Yes.
Okay, so now, baby Kai, can you name one thing in your backpack or what inside your backpack? At least one. Can you name one? What's inside your backpack, baby Kai? Aside from pencil, pen, crayon, and marker.
Pen. Pen
What?
and pencil.
No.
Pen
Aside
and
from that,
pencil.
baby. Aside from these. So we already talked about you have pencil, pen, crayon, and marker. So aside from the four, can you give me one item that is in your backpack?
Pen.
What?
Pen.
Pen. Okay, wait. Let me have you this one. Okay. Wait. Give me one thing that is in your backpack. Aside from pen, pencil, what is that? Pen, pencil, crayon, and marker. And marker. Okay, please listen to this one, babies. Okay, this one.
Pencil.
Cho tôi một thứ có trong ba lô của bạn, ngoài bút, bút chì, bút sáp và bút dạ.
Okay, can you give me one thing that it's inside your backpack aside from pen, pencil, crayon, and marker?
Book.
Book. Okay, who said that? Who said book? Okay, who said book? Is it Kai? Okay, all right. How about okay, how about you, Rick? Can you give me one thing inside your backpack? Okay, how
No.
about what?
Pencil.
Oh, no. Pencil is already here. We also we have pencil right here already. Okay, another one.
Okay.
Okay, what else? How
Crayon.
about sharpener? Do you have sharpener in your backpack?
No.
You don't have sharpener?
No.
Oh,
Book.
how ab- oh, how about eraser?
Yes.
Oh, you have eraser in your backpack. That's so nice. How about a ruler?
Yes.
How about a scissor? How about scissors, baby?
No.
Oh no, you don't have a scissors in your backpack. Yeah, because that's for safety. Okay, so now let's listen to this one.
Page 6. Lesson 2. School supplies. A. Listen, point, and say. 1,
Okay, one is
Pencil,
pencil,
2,
Pencil.
pen,
Pencil.
pen,
Pen.
3,
crayon,
crayon.
Crayon.
4,
marker,
Okay, marker. Okay, so
Marker.
now, baby, who said lately that who has a ruler on the backpack? You both have a ruler?
Yeah.
How about oh, where are you going, Creek? Oh, you're there. How about eraser? Who
Yes.
has eraser? Oh, you both have. How about a scissor? No, you don't have a scissor. Okay, how about a sharpener?
No.
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 Oh, all right. Okay, so you don't have a sharpener and a scissor. All right, it's okay. What if you are going to measure something? How do you measure it if you don't have a ruler? I mean, if you don't have, oh, how do you cut if you don't have a scissor? What are you going to use to cut something, to cut a paper if you don't have a scissor? Are you going to borrow from your classmates?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. All right. So if you are going to borrow something to someone, okay, let's start with Kai. If you are going to borrow something to someone, how will you ask? Okay, how will you say? And how will you ask someone if you are going to borrow something? Okay, for example, Kai, you are going to borrow a scissor to me. How will you say it to me, baby? How will you ask if you are going to borrow a scissor to teacher?
Can I borrow a scissor?
Okay. All right, can you say it again?
Can I borrow your scissors?
All right. You can also, can I? Okay, that's already very good, but more pleasantly and more formality, you can also say, teacher, can I borrow your scissor, please? Okay, make sure that you addressed that person. For example, to teacher, classmate, Rick, make sure to say that one, to say the name or to address something. And also, it's not bad if we can use please. It's just part of, oh, your teddy bear is so cute. Okay, so, Rick, what if someone will not let you borrow a scissor? What are you going to do, Rick? Okay, again. What if someone will not let you borrow? What will you do or what will you say?
I find it.
Oh, wait, is it okay? Can you say it again because it echo? Can you say it again? What are you going to do and what are you going to say, Rick, if someone will not let you borrow?
See?
What? Okay, what are you going to say, baby? Or what are you going to do if someone will not let you borrow? Are you happy or sad if someone will not let you borrow?
Sad.
Oh, you're going to be sad. Okay, maybe there are reasons why you didn't let you borrow their things and okay, wait. Okay, and now what you're just going to do, Rick, is just to accept. And you are going to find another ways. You can ask your other classmates, your other friends, or your teacher. Maybe they have scissors so that you can borrow. Do not be sad. Okay? Do not be sad because maybe there are some reasons why that person is not letting you borrow their things. Maybe they are using it, or maybe they are not comfortable of other people to hold or to use their things. Okay? Your teddy bear or your toys are so cute. All right. Okay, we're done with it with that. So again, Rick, do not be sad. Okay? You can just ask other friends. And
No.
Also Kai, do not be sad if someone will not let you borrow. You can just ask. There are still a lot of options and there are still a lot of choices. Do not be sad, everyone. So again, we have this listen, ask, and answer. So teacher is going to play another audio. So I want you to listen, Kai and Rick. Okay, babies?
Yes.
Page 6. B. Listen, ask, and answer. 1,
What do you have?
I have a pencil.
2,
What do you have?
I have a
There's a
pen.
picture.
3,
What do you have? I have a crayon.
4,
What do you have? I have a marker.
All right. Okay, so now Rick, what do you have? Baby Rick, are you there? Okay, baby Rick, what do you have? I have. Okay, I have a. Okay, scissors. How about you, Kai? What do you have?
Some pickles.
Okay, what is that again? Can you say it, please? I have a.
I have
Okay, I have a paper. How about how about this one? What do you have, Rick?
pencil.
Okay, pencil. I have a pencil. Okay, can you say it? I have a pencil. How about this one, Kai? What do you have? Okay, how about this one, Kai? What is this?
I have a pen.
I have a pen. Okay, so now how about this one? What are this? Okay, paints. How many paints do you see?
Green. Yellow.
Okay. Oh, green,
Yellow.
yellow,
Green.
and
Green.
all right, red, yellow, and green. Okay. Oh, I forgot. Who has the favorite color of green? Someone told me last time that his favorite color is green. Who is that? Oh, what is your favorite color, Rick?
Red.
Okay, how about you, Kai? You forgot your favorite color? What's your favorite color, baby Kai? What? Oh, I cannot hear you.
Green.
Okay, how about your Rick? Green as well. You are indeed a twins because you have the same favorite color. All right, okay, so now baby Kai and Rick, I will be giving you an assignment, okay? So baby Kai and Rick, I want you to draw something on the paper, okay? And I want you to show that tomorrow. So what you're going to do is you just need to prepare a paper, crayon. You can just prepare paper and crayon. And now you are going to draw something. Anything that you want to draw. But I want you to color it. Okay, baby Kai and Rick?
Yes, teacher.
Alright, so again, what is the assignment? Okay, tell me what is the assignment again? You are going to draw something. Oh, it's so cute. You are going to draw something on the paper and then color it, okay? Okay, babies?
Yeah.
Okay, and show it to me, show that to me tomorrow, okay?
Okay.
All right, so for today, baby Kai and Rick, thank you so much for listening. Have your breakfast after our class. So goodbye and see you again next time. Bye bye. You did a great job, guys. Bye bye. Do your assignment, okay?
Yes.
Okay. Bye bye. It's so cute. Bye bye, baby. Bye bye, Ducky. Bye bye, Mr. Vaughn, and bye bye.
Baby.